everybody, welcome back to Noble Art. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope this video was beneficial for you. If you have any other video suggestions, please write it in the comment below and I'll make sure that I take in your suggestions. So today I'll be painting the TikTok logo and this bit is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just spreading black paints for the background of TikTok. Now I'll be using titanium white to paint the TikTok logo, and it's going to be the middle part of the musical note that it has. This bit is also pretty self-explanatory. At first, the paint's not going to come out quite good on paper. You can touch up as you go, and that's what I'm going to do. Also, a quick side note, I will be making a couple of mistakes in this video. I will be painting it a bit wrong, but that's perfectly okay. Even if you do make those mistakes, it's perfectly okay. All you need to do is let the paint dry and then you can paint over it, which is what I'm going to do as well. Now for the musical note, I'll be mixing crimson red with a paint called fluorescent peach red to get a nice neon pink type of paint mixture, and I'll be painting it on the sides of the white musical note, not all around it, on certain bits. And because there's also blue on the TikTok logo, I'll also be mixing this blue paint color, I don't know how to pronounce the name, I'm so sorry guys, with lemon yellow and green pale and titanium white. Most of the paint mixture will be titanium white with a few drops of green pale, lemon yellow and the blue color, but make sure you don't add too much of each and every one at once. You can add a lot of titanium white, but don't add a lot of the other three colors, otherwise you might get something that looks too minty, too green, too yellowy, too blue, etc. Now I'll be painting the name TikTok on the painting as it is on the logo. Unfortunately, because it was quite hard to do it on camera as the tripod was right in front of me, I decided to do most of it off camera, and I apologize for that. And that's it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a like, and don't hesitate to write down in the comments any other video suggestions that you may have. I'll really appreciate those comments. I'll leave you right now, and goodbye and have a great day.